All right, good morning to you. This is the Wednesday, October the 12th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Let's begin with a look from the Dowd YMCA camera looking toward beautiful uptown Charlotte. And it is a cool, crisp, early October morning underway across the region. If you like kind of classic Carolina October weather, and I don't know who really wouldn't over the past couple of days. Boy, it's been great. Just beautiful conditions and another really, really nice weather day on tap for today as well. All right, we'll take a peek at what else is going on. Well, first of all, 47 degrees there in Charlotte. It's a cool morning, a few spots even down into the 30s. Radar very quiet over the past couple of hours, a few showers offshore, that's about it. Of course, big flooding problems continuing in eastern North Carolina where the tremendous rains from Hurricane Matthew occurred, and there's still all kinds of problems with river flooding, especially as we go through the next couple of days. So again, just a tragic situation for many folks over there in eastern North Carolina and eastern South Carolina too. All right, the weather itself though very quiet. High pressure nosing down into the region. Another day with plenty of sunshine today. Here's our Wednesday afternoon high temperatures, looking and feeling very nice once again for today. Tomorrow, still pretty nice. We're going to see a cold front approach, so by the afternoon, maybe a few more clouds. That's about it. Temperatures a little warmer as that front approaches tomorrow, well up into the 70s, even some low 80s out into South Carolina. And then on Friday, behind that front, we have this northeasterly flow in place, moisture riding up and over that, and probably some mountain showers. I think east of the mountains we stay dry, but a pretty good amount of cloud cover Friday and Saturday too, and so our temperatures held down a bit once again. Your Friday high around 67, I think it's in the 60s for a lot of 67 in Greensboro, rather, 71 in Charlotte, 68 in Raleigh. I think a lot of us in the 60s again for Saturday, too. All right, tropical update. Yep, we have a hurricane out there. It's Hurricane Nicole. There's the satellite imagery on Nicole. Now, Bermuda is right there. So, Nicole located off to the southwest of Bermuda. 5 a.m. advisory, 100 mile per hour sustained winds, and Nicole moving to the northwest at 7 miles per hour. This is going to pass very close to Bermuda. And that will happen tonight into tomorrow morning when it makes its closest pass. And it'll probably do so as a Category 2 hurricane. So, accordingly, you have a hurricane warning up for Bermuda, rightfully so. And here's the wind potential from Nicole as this brushes close to Bermuda. You're looking at the strongest period of winds anywhere from midnight to lunchtime tomorrow, thereabouts, there in Bermuda. All right, let me show you what's going on in the big picture. Here's the look at the European vorticity chart, valid early this afternoon. Here's your next trough moving into the northern part of the country. That'll swing this next cold front through here by late tomorrow. And then behind it, enough energy kind of meandering around here that that'll help generate that cloud cover, that mountain shower opportunity, and points west from there. But again, I think you get east of the mountains and the rain chances are pretty low. All right, so let me show you what this looks like here. It's going to be a little tough to see from this perspective. There's Nicole out at sea. This is the GFS model. So today, we're in good shape. Tomorrow, that cold front will have moved on in. Big high pressure behind it. We get out to Friday. You can just begin to see some of this rain breaking out to the west. High pressure wedging down the eastern side of the mountain. So a lot of cloud cover with this Friday and Saturday too. But you notice really very little rain trying to make it east of the mountains. Sunday rather, less clouds, more sun, warmer temperatures. And I think next week's looking much warmer than this week. There's Monday, there's Tuesday. Look at the southwesterly flow getting established, so highs probably pushing 80 or better in some spots as we get into next work week. Here's your next cold front approaching then Wednesday to Thursday. A couple final charts here on Nicole. This is the GFDL model. There's Bermuda right there. So the GFDL a little west of Bermuda. Here's the hurricane wharf, a little closer, but still just a touch west. That would put Bermuda in the strongest winds associated with Nicole. So again, I don't think this is going to be just an absolutely devastating hurricane for Bermuda, but certainly going to cause some problems tonight into tomorrow morning. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody, have a great day, and God bless.